Hey, so hello guys, what's up? Good morning. And yeah, right now I'm with my bare face and this messy braids, and also please ignore that. So, yeah, today I thought that let's make a video on products that I completely regret buying. And before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, like ये चेहरा अगर आपको फर्स्ट टाइम दिखाई दे रहा है, प्लीज़ टेक अ मोमेंट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड प्लीज़ उसके बगल में जो छोटा सा बेल आइकन है ना उसे भी प्रेस कर देना, so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And please यार लाइक तो करके जाओ, फ्री में मिलता है, सब्सक्राइब भी फ्री में है, थोड़ा सा तो कर दो. So okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Judge me, actually these are my opinion. Like I don't have any dushmani with the so-called brands and all. In fact, I really love their products. Like these products didn't work for me, and I'm having from the House of Good Vibes, Wow, Mamaearth, Blue Heaven also, and one joke is the one and only that I'm not going to buy, and I won't recommend you also. So let's start. So the very first product that I have in my hand is from the House of Good Vibes. As you know, I really love Good Vibes. Like seriously, I love it. But I don't know what's the problem with this product. This is their aloe vera nourishing hair food, and it comes in 100 gram and it retails for 315, which is not so affordable. But you can easily get it in discounts, like around 285 or something like that. First thing that I would like to talk about this is it contains perfume and color, which is on number one. Second thing that it makes your hair greasy. Doesn't feels like that I have applied a hair food like that. It doesn't make my hair so silky and shiny. And it like I have used most of it. Like I can show you it ना, इतना यूज़ किया है मैंने बहुत. मतलब मुझे यही देखना था कि am I like making a video just to get views and all, but no, it's not like that actually. मतलब मैंने बहुत 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 बार इस्तेमाल किया. ऐसा भी हो सकता है मे बी माई हेयर इज़ लाइक थिन फॉर दैट मे बी, और समथिंग लाइक मैंने शैम्पू ज़्यादा कर लिया हो, अमाउंट ज़्यादा ले लिया हो. एंड इसको बोला गया है दैट आफ्टर यू हैव शैम्पूड योर हेयर देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट, बट प्लीज़ डोंट अप्लाई इट आफ्टर योर हेयर वॉश बिकॉज it makes your hair greasy. It's oil in consistency, so definitely if you oil your hair then it gonna feel greasy, na? That's a common thing. So first product I regret totally, guys. So next up I have right in my hand is from the House of Wow. You know what, I really love most of their products. Like I use their onion oil, their serums, their face wash. Sunscreen is my most favorite. Like if you need a video on that particular product, please do let me know in the comment section below. And like if you're thinking कि मेरे बाल इतना silky and soft कैसे है, like if you wanna know my hair cream regime, then please do let me know in the comment section. I gonna make a video in that. That's a topmost secret. Okay, so getting into the video. So this retails for $549 and it comes in 200 ml. So quite expensive, but this gonna last you for long, like really long. The thing that I don't like about this product is like it makes you feel good. That's it. Like डैमेज हेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, रिपेयर करता है थोड़ी बहुत. एंड another thing, actually this is not for your color here, और मैंने हाईलाइट्स किया था for so maybe for that. One more thing is that Wow and Mamaearth, both these brands are cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free and mineral oil free. So next up I have right in my hand is from the House of Mamaearth. And the good thing about this brand is like every time you buy a product from them, they plant a tree and they give the location also. So this is a very good thing. I really support that. This is their onion hair serum, and it says it makes your hair strong and frizz free. So this is not for your scalp, like this is not for your hair scalp, this is for your hair length. Okay, so like मैंने इसे यूज़ किया फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकेंड टाइम, थर्ड टाइम, and each time that I use, the results are completely same. Let it be on wet hair, like damp hair, or like dry hair. it makes your hair dry, frizzy. It cleans something and it does exactly the opposite of it. Like अभी जो आपको मेरा शाइन दिख रहा है ना मेरे हेयर पे, ओके, तो अगर मैं इसे अप्लाई करूँ राइट ओवर हियर, this shine gonna go completely. Like I really tell you, this shine gonna go completely. मैंने इसे क्या सोच के लिया था, and I don't know what it became. I really don't have any enmity with this brand, but this is a must know from my side. Hey guys, again from the house of Mama, and this is the onion hair oil. बॉटल से पता चलेगा, एक्चुअली द लेवल इज लाइक लॉस्ट. मैंने इसका लेवल उठा दिया, sorry for that. But if you are someone that you have used onion hair oil from this brand, you'll know that I'm not making any false statement. This is their onion oil only, and it has something like, okay, let me show you. Actually it has something, nikal bhi ja. Okay, so it has this much. It feels nice on your hair, ठीक है, it really feels nice on your hair, but the fact is this is for my hair growth, right? It doesn't do anything regarding your hair growth. My point is that I'm buying a product for a particular issue and it's not working, and 449, like sorry, 499 is not a joke, it's around 500. You're buying something, and I think this comes in 200 ml, maybe like that, 200 or 100 ml like that. I don't remember since I have lost the level. So you can search it. So it retails for 500 rupees. Strengthen somehow, but for hair regrowth, it's a no. Okay, so next up I have from the house of Zovis. So I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or not, but let's forget about that. This comes in 200 ml and it retails for 315 rupees. So this white water lily variant, but after applying, like after using it, I have used it almost like it doesn't have any. Thank God that it's a lotion and I was able to use it somehow. So it moisturizes your skin for 1 hour, not more than that. You have to reapply, and it doesn't make your skin soft, please, and it doesn't provide any glow to your skin. So this is a big, a big no from this brand. Waste of money, please don't do that. So this is a very well-known makeup fixer. Like this is from Blue Heaven makeup fixer. Retails for 300. After using this also, I find it very useless because like when I sweat a lot, since I sweat a lot, so from this portion, like from the T-zone area, especially my chin area, it comes like makeup comes like, that the river, like the river is flowing all over my face, and people watching me right over there just be like, oh my gosh, she has done makeup. So it's a no from my side. I think you can invest in a good makeup fixer because it's your skin will be using it. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end. So these were the products that I really regret buying, and I'm not gonna buy it. Somehow I have used most of them and they are like now empty bottles except the serum. I think that this video is helpful to you. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this video and all. And for any upgradations and any clarifications and all, like any updates and like anything that I need to be focused on, please don't hesitate and do let me know in the comment section below, and please give it a like. Please support me. Your support is a must. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, love you all.